Gas bottles sit inside the front locker with space dedicated for two 6-kilogram bottles. It is recommended to carry 2 bottles, one in use and a spare for when the first bottle runs out. 2 types of gas can be used, butane and propane. We recommend 6-kilogram Cala propane bottles which are red in colour and work better at low temperatures. Your caravan is supplied with a wall-mounted gas regulator plumbed inside the gas cylinder compartment. The regulator and all appliances work at a harmonized 30 millibars pressure, which will work with butane and propane gas. To start, lift your gas bottle into position and secure with the black strap. Propane, butane and camping gas cylinders all have varying cylinder adapter connections. It is important to check you have the correct hose and adapter to suit your gas cylinders. The high-pressure hoses have threaded connections and must be securely attached to the regulator and to the gas cylinder. Check for the washer on the pigtail. Use the spanner to tighten the connections. Ensure that there is a constant rise in the flexible gas hose between the gas cylinder outlet and the regulator elbow. If the button on the regulator is standing proud of the body, use your supplied regulator key or your finger to push it in. Normally in the center kitchen cupboard, there are separate gas shutoff valves for different appliances, and a white sticker explains which colored valve controls which appliance. To open, turn the valve so that it runs in line with the pipe. On the outside of the caravan is a flue cover, which lets out the gases from the central heating and hot water. This is a permanent outlet and just needs to be regularly checked to make sure it is clear of any debris.